Welcome to the SmartPest Paperless Office user tutorials. These tutorials will guide you step by step through the setup of Paperless Office, as well as how to use all the many functions. So let's get started entering company information. When you first open SmartPest, you will come to what we call the dashboard. From the dashboard, we'll immediately want to go to the setup area, so we click on the button that says Setup, and you'll be viewing this history for ABC Pest Group. Now, in the fields here on this screen, you'll see your company name, your address, your city, your state, and so forth. You can fill all this information out and begin to immediately use SmartPest simply with a text logo. And in a moment, we'll show you how to use the letterhead function up under this tab. But for now, I just want to explain that you fill this information out with your information, your company information here, and you'll be ready to use Paperless Office almost immediately. The letterhead name for our text logo is just simply text. You can change it to whatever you want it to be, but text will do just fine. And then the very first thing you want to do is set up your access. So the button here for user setup only, the first thing we need to do is we need to create an administrator. So here we have John Doe. So let me just change this login here. I'm going to delete this and change it to myself. And you can use a first name, a last name. I'll just put the entire name in there. Oops. You can use first name, last name, or I'm just going to put my full name in here, and the actual name here. And you can set up the password you want to enter. So I'm just going to enter a simple password I can remember. And now, basically, I'm protected from when I set the software up. I want to always have a Office user with administrative privileges, otherwise you can lock yourself out of the software. So make sure that this person is set to Office. We can even change a photo here. So if I right-click and say Insert Picture, on my desktop here, I'm going to go find my picture. And there you go. We don't need to deal with the FX Connect settings here. That's for another service. So essentially, that's all we need to do. And so now what we've done is we've set up the company name information here. One other item we can take care of: if you're a termite company, you can go over here to the State Forms button, open it, and you can choose from any of the states here. Anything in black would be what we call the NPMA state. Those are states that use the NPMA 33 form. And then any of the states that have their own, the little yellow, they have their own custom form, are shown here in yellow. So you can select from this list, and I'm just going to go with the Texas form for now. And we can return back to the setup area. So that's it, really, for setting up your company information. Next, we'll talk about technicians.